Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about Retrieval-Augmented Generation, which we also call it as RAG. So see guys, in generative AI mostly we'll be working with the RAG based system because here fine-tuning large language model is a little bit difficult. Even we have already saw that, okay, how we can do the fine-tuning operations. I already showed you how one fine-tuning example, right? So as you go ahead, you'll be taking different large language model, and those model parameter would be very huge. And whenever you are fine tuning these are the model, definitely will face the difficulty. Okay, so instead of that, there is another concept we use called RAG concept. So with the RAG concept also, we just try to connect our large language model with our custom data. So first of all, let's try to understand what is RAG. So you can see guys, inside LLM we have some limitations, like LLM can't answer correctly to the private data. Let's say you have some private document and your LLM won't be able to give the response on top of that. And LLM can't provide the most current information. That means if you are having some current documents, okay, so it doesn't have the information because it has one like a knowledge cutoff. Let's say you have used one LLM that is only trained till 2021. Yeah, okay, so that means after 2021 whatever things has happened, it doesn't know that. Okay, so this is the problem. So you can see guys, to prevent this issue we use something called Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So here we use RAG for allowing LLMs to use the external sources for better response. That means here, let's say we have some documents. First of all, we'll be using one embedding model. With the embedding model, we'll try to create the vector embeddings. Okay, and these vector embeddings will try to store to the vector database. I think I already showed you the vector database concepts, and I also showed you how we can generate the embeddings and all. Everything I already discussed. Now we'll try to connect the large language model to the vector database, and this will become our knowledge base. That means whatever question user will ask, okay, first of all it will go to the knowledge base. Okay, knowledge base will return some relevant response. Then it will also pass to the LLM, and the question will also pass to the LLM. LLM will try to get the context, and it will have the questions, and it will refine the answer, and it will send it to you. So this is the entire actually idea of the RAG. That means here you are giving this knowledge base as a context, this particular vector database as a context to the LLM. Okay, this is the idea. Now you can see Retrieval Augmentation Generation RAG allows to external sources for the better response, more accurate answers on private data, stay updated with the new information. Okay, now here you can see guys, why we call it as a Retrieval augmentations. Okay, so here you can see whenever user is asking one questions, let's say what are your business hour. First of all, it will go to the retriever. Retrieval will try to retrieve, let's say, the information from the documents, and it will augment the query. That means this query as well as the retrieve output, it will try to augment it. Then it will try to generate. That means it will pass to the LLM. LLM will try to understand the question, and it will refer that particular context. Okay, then it will try to generate something. Let's say in this case Monday to Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Okay, so this is the response we are getting. So yes guys, this was the RAG concept. Now we'll try to see some RAG components. Okay, after that we'll also try to implement actually RAG in a practical way. We'll try to implement the entire RAG applications. Okay, then I think after that your understanding would be clear. So thank you so much.